Come on along. Hey, what a beautiful morning. Parts run today. We're gonna lose all our snow here in the next day or so. It's supposed to be in the 40s, 50s. And the maple syrup people are tapping trees like crazy. Cold at night, warm during the day. That makes the sap flow. Yeah, gotta go get some parts for T-Roy, for a skidder, a seal for the front axle. And so that's what I'm up to this morning. What are you eating? Roast beef and potatoes?
No.
You're good. Should I turn this thing on?
No.
I'll let you know when you see that thing in the gray box, it's on. There you go. Any phone calls? Should I go solder? Yeah, that's why I turned this on. I brought it in. I'm gonna solder. I'm gonna solder, man. I'm gonna solder a box. I'm gonna try. Hey, you got an engine in, huh? What? Fired up yet? No. It's called a float. I don't know what it's called. It's a float for a evaporator, they say. A float. It's sap season, syrup season. It's leaking. Now I want to make it not leak. What do I get myself into, huh?
Right.
Right, Troy? Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that should work. The small one?
Warpage. Warpage. Son of a bitch. Well, it'll be sealed. That's the main thing. Right, Troy? I said it will be sealed. I guess at this point it don't matter. Some thin shit, man.
Yeah. Yep. We killed 3 of them on Tuesday. Took about 2 hours to get 3 dead. Yep. Yeah. Radish. Peter. Pizza bun? Pizza bun is radish.
I'll get good at this by the time I get to the end. It's syrup season, Pa.
What?
It's syrup season. This is for a syrup thing.
Oh, okay.
I'm trying my hand to. Now I'll see if I'd have done it. I didn't practice enough. I'm getting the flow down now. That's how they do it. I just didn't practice enough. Come on. Stay with me. See, I got it way too hot on this side. What?
Stainless is being kind of douchey, it looks like.
Yeah, I got it way too hot on this side. But as long as it's sealed and it does its job as a float, then it's good to go. Now I know how to do it. You know what I mean? Don't need them anymore. Probably hot.
Does it float?
Does it float? It floats. Whatever floats your boat, right? The only worried about is right there where I have that, where the side seam is.
Fill it up.
I'm gonna
Triple pass.
triple. I gotta get some of this. Special sauce on there. Arby's special sauce. A little bit of water in there, I'm thinking. There we go. I think we got her. What a pain in the... Don't bring me your sap pan and stuff. That shit's expensive too. It's $100 for a roll of that. It's got so much silver in it.
So why can't you take that one?
Take what? It's so thin. And besides that, once you got that much stainless on it, I mean, solder on it, you'd have to clean every joint like 4 million times and then air hose, hook it up.
Just use your little torch and oxygen.
No, we don't want to blow it here. I'll do it. You'll just blow it up on me. See if she'll hold in the air. This was plugged too. This tube, it must allow for this thing to contract and expand. I don't know. I'm not a maple syrup guy, but that also would put pressure on these joints and then make it crack. I drilled through there with a, where's my drill?
Right there.
Right here. If you got a plugged hole, you take a piece of filler rod and you smash the end into a spoon and then you bend it.
Yeah.
I'm showing the camera. Then you just go like that and you get the sugar out of there. Because it was leaking so long, the whole thing was full of sugar in there. Now you just gotta clean it. Thanks boys for watching. See you, bye.